How's that for a nighttime gobbler, buddy?
Oh yeah, that was quick. Whew.
That's how you get it done in the nighttime, baby.
Whew.
I thought I heard
So did I. I
really
heard a hen.
faint.
I heard a hen too.
I'm like, oh, I gotta try again, and then they lit right up.
I heard hens when you were calling. I thought I did. And then the last time you called, I heard a hen. And then they gobbled.
I'm in.
Sweet.
Windy day gobbler, buddy. Let's go get them out, huh?
And they were pissed at the Jake.
Yeah, and then they
knew
realized something was up right away, or as soon as they got in here. But
Probably didn't help that I had my face mask up either.
I put it on because my ears were cold.
Oh, I was ready to fall asleep there until I heard you call, and then I heard the hen. Note to self, I need to get a different shotgun.
I think you would have got it with yours there.
I think so, but still.
Stoned him. He barely flopped.
Well, here we are. It's the second to the last day of my season. We've had just weird weather for this season and first season. The end of first season, we had 29 inches of snow, and it kind of screwed up the end of first. And I had second, but obviously we did our job and got one on the second to the last day. It's been really windy yesterday. We have like 30-mile-an-hour winds, so we decided to just come and sit where I kind of always hear them hanging out in the afternoon and going to roost, and it paid off because they came running in after they heard the call a few times, and we've been out here for maybe 25 minutes, I'd say, and we got it done.